Welcome to my English course by Anya Verma. So, in these videos, we will improve our English. We will learn English idioms, English translations, English vocabs, and English slangs, etc. So, let's get started. In this session, we will learn advanced English. So, let's get started. The first one is I'm not sure or doubtful. So instead of using this, we can say that I am iffy. So basically, when you are not sure or doubtful about doing some or the other thing, you can use advanced English. For example, I am iffy about joining the sports competition, or I am iffy about joining the online class. So you can use it. This watch is fake. Instead of using this, you can use this watch is fugazi. So basically, we can use fugazi instead of fake, and it is only used in materialistic things. You cannot use it in the person, animal, okay, only in the materialistic things. For example, instead of saying this phone is fake, you can say this phone is fugazi. I'm down in the dumps. I am sad or gutted. Gutted means upset. Okay. So, for example, my friend was down in the dumps due to her performance in the annual exams. So, she was very sad. She was very upset about her performance in the exams. So, I'm basically making the sentences side by side so you get a rough idea how to make a sentence formation on these. It is very easy. It is a cinch. It is very easy task. I can do it. Okay, so instead of saying that, you can say it is a cinch task. For example, to calm down my friend is a cinch task. To calm down, to make my friends calm down is a cinch, means very easy task. Okay, make sentences side by side and comment below. This is boring. This is vanilla. So basically, vanilla is a chocolate ice cream flavor. So vanilla ice cream may be sometimes boring. Okay, so that's why the other word of boring is vanilla. So for example, my friend said that the party was vanilla. The party was boring. She was not intrigued by that one. You can calm down. You can simmer down. When you see someone, you can cool down, you can calm down. So instead of using these words, you can use simmer down. You can simmer down. Simmer down means calm down, cool down. So you can say to simmer down my friend is not an cinch task. To calm down my friend is not an easy task. I am shocked. I am gagged. Gagged means shocked. Another word of shocked is gagged. Okay. She said something unexpected and gagged everybody. Shocked everybody. Okay. Something unexpected. Unexpected means something that was never ever expected to be said, and she said it and gagged everybody. Okay. Shocked everybody. That's my 13th reason. That's my 13th reason means that's very irritating. Please stop it. Okay. For example, that's my 13th reason. Please move out from this room. Okay. So basically, when you are very irritated about something, you can say it, that's my 13th reason. It's very irritating. It's very annoying. Please go out. Okay. The last one and the final one is don't call me out. Don't at me. Means when you are not talking your friends, so you say don't call me out. मुझे मत बुलाओ. Okay. So when you are very angry with them, so instead of saying don't call me out, you can say don't at me. Don't at me means don't call me out. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye bye. Meet you in the next session.